everyone, welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. So today's video I'm planning to pick and gut a challenge lock for you. I say planning. I'll show you this now. I had this in a package this morning. There we go, focus now. Robin Hood with an arrow on the front, and Leon's lock pad on the side. So I said I had through in a package this morning, and just a second ago I managed to get an open on the little bugger. Bandage key, very cool. And yeah, I've decided to try and get it on video straight away. The last challenge lock I had from Leon, oh, it gave me such a ball ache. It took me weeks and weeks to get the little fucker on video. So seeing as I've just got the open on this, I'm going to try and replicate it and see if I can get this thing cracked straight away. And fingers crossed I won't have to go through the torment that I did on the last Leon's lock pad challenge lock. Alright, so I used an Attila a second ago, so I'm going to stick with that and go to the back, slight click off 5, a bit of counter off 3, lost that slight full set that I had. But yeah, the last challenge lock I had from Leon's lock pad, it took me a good while to open the little bugger. And then even longer to get it on camera. So if I can get this one cracked out the way, then it's going to save me some headaches, guys. This lock was sent to me this morning from Gavin Bilby, boybilbo81. Thank you, Gavin. I'll click off one there. Right, this isn't actually behaving how it did last time. I suppose it could be the different angle that I'm at. When I'm not picking on camera, I pick right at the edge of my bench. I'm just going to go for a reset there, guys. Start again. Yeah, I pick at the edge of my bench normally when I'm practicing and having fun and having a bit of a pick. So then when you come to get it on camera, it's actually a lot different. Purely because of the angle and the position you've got to get yourself in to get it on camera as well. Many of you will know exactly what I'm talking about when I say about that though. Ooh, nice full set there. I think I just overset one. I'm not 100% sure. I've got counter off 5, I think. Or am I just coming off the warden here? We're close, guys. I can feel it. Come on. Deeper full set. Just adjust my tension. 5 feels good. 4 feels good now that it's clicked. There we go. Whew. Right, that's a relief, guys. As I said, the trouble that the last Leon's lock pad lock gave me. Leon makes some fantastic challenge locks. As you can see, that's well and truly open, so I can lock it back up. I'll leave that there while we unbandage the key. Very cool stuff. So I'm not sure whether I showed you the key, but it's called Robin Hood. Not sure whether you can make that out. Let's get this bandaging off this key then. Feels like shrink wrap, this does. A few layers of it as well. Get off there. There we go, so that's the bitting that we're dealing with. Focus, you baboon. There we go. Quite a cool bitting. Not too shabby whatsoever. And let's see how it goes in the lock. As I said, Leon makes some brilliant challenge locks, so I'm sure it'll work absolutely perfect. Yes, just as thought, works perfect. Doesn't like to come out so much, but it is working perfectly. Right, cool, let's get this little baby gutted done. Plonk that down there. I've got my pinning tray ready. I'm going to use my blue 3D printed tray, which was actually a gift from Leon. And the reason I'm going to use this is I love the way that pins show up on the blue tray. Really shows them off. And Leon always makes some funky, lovely looking pins. So it'd be nice to show them off. Circle it off. Key in, things up that way. I'm going to shim it, better safe than sorry. Lovely stuff. Very cool. Alright, straight away I can see a bit of funkiness up there. Get that to focus for you. One getting a bit stuck. As you can see, everything definitely needed to be picked, so I'll dump these out. Right, pin one. So doesn't want to come out now that I've said about it. Excuse me. Oh, you bastard. Right, let's skip pin one for now. Pin two. Serrated keep in. Pin three. Looks like a tiered, like a wedding sort of cake. Very cool. Pin four. So another serration. Pin five. Very long spool pin. Nice. Let's see if pin one will come out now. There we go. You see we've got a tapered keep in there. Very cool. Awesome stuff. Really happy about getting the open on that, guys. Leon makes some killer challenge locks. Alright, so it looks all standard in the plug. Yep, all standard. Very cool. Alright, so let's start at the front and see what we got. So pin one, we have light serrations, almost standard, very light serrations. Spring doesn't want to come out at the moment, I'm not going to force it. Pin two, ooh, we have an escaping act. Very nice. I'll see if I can show that on the camera. I'm not very good at showing these things on camera, guys. I can't really get the focus to work most of the time. There we go, got lots of stuff going on there. So it's like a spool that comes to like a tiered T-pin. Very, very cool. That was pin 2. And a steel spring below him. So let's see what we got in store for number 3. Oh, he's nice. Let me try this again. There we go, so it's like a T-pin, but it's got like serrations on it. Very nice. Leon, you sneaky little bugger. And it looks like we've got a copper spring in 3. Very cool. Let's go to number 4. Whoa! And in typical Leon fashion, we've got a pin in pin, and it's a sprung pin in pin. Oh, look at that little, whoops, she's gone. Very good work, Leon, as always. Put that back together. Very, very cool, my friend. Right, that was pin 4. Let's see what spring. Right, I think that was... Yep, that's the spring from pin 1. There we go, a steel spring in pin 4. Nasty combination with that spring-loaded pin in pin. And last but not least, I'm sure, what has Leon got in store for us? Very nicely serrated pin. Awesome stuff. Let's see if we can get the last spring out as well. Yep, a little copper spring. Doesn't look like we've got anything up in the Bible. Very cool, so let's give you a close-up on these pins, guys. A very nice lock, Leon, my friend. Very relieved to have got it picked, as you can probably hear from my voice, and I've told you about 50 times. There we go, if we go through the key pins, we've got a tapered, sort of like wedding, I don't know if it'll show up very well. Tapered, serrations for 2, tiered, again for 3, serrations on 4, and a long spool on 5. And then for the drivers, on number 1 we've got light serrations. Number 2 we've got some sort of funky fucking spool, very cool. Number 3 is a crazy serrated T-pin. Number 4 is a spring-loaded pin in pin. And number 5 is multiple serrations. And as you can see with the springs, we've got a right assortment of springs in there. So very cool. Thank you, Leon, for making that lock. That was very, very good fun, my friend. And thank you, Gavin, boybilbo81, boybilbo81 rather, for sending it to me. Absolutely chuffed now. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching, guys. I'll see you all soon. Please like, please subscribe. Bye now.